I'm Chef Chona Garcia Laureta of Aprons and Mitts, and I'm so happy that finally our Irresistible Silvanas is now available online through Bailiwick Academy. So today we will be offering to you the Silvanas class. So what makes the Silvanas class different from other classes? It's just like, an art. It's an art in creating Silvanas. Today we will be making 6 flavors of Silvanas. But before making the Silvanas, I will be giving you an introduction of how the class would go, the entire class. Okay, so this is the flow for the class. The first thing that you will be learning is like, what are the components of Silvanas? Okay, now the Silvanas has 3 major components. The first one is the meringue wafer. The second one is the buttercream. We will be teaching you later on the procedure on how to make the special buttercream. And the last one is for the crumbs, okay? So if you remove one of these 3 components, you cannot call it Silvanas anymore. So the 3 should have to be present, okay? So the first part would be, the entire class would be just like a demonstration, because you are not here with me to do a hands-on workshop. So therefore, if you're living abroad, so you go ahead and get the class, enroll in the class, just message Bailiwick Academy for you to be able to get hold of all the recipes and the procedures on how to come up with Silvanas. Okay, so how do we go about with the class? If you enroll in this class, you will learn the following, okay? So unang-una is, we will be making the meringue wafer. So that is the first thing that you will be learning today. And then, right after, we have the tips. During the entire process of the making of the meringue wafer, there will be tips, techniques, and troubleshooting. Okay, so right after the baking of the meringue wafer, we will be doing the special buttercream. Now, why is it called special? Now, we will be making 6 flavors today, but right after learning the techniques on how to make flavors, you can do a lot of flavors, not just 6. Kaya siya special kasi I will be teaching you on how to make different flavors out of different ingredients. Okay, secrets revealed. So, right after making the buttercream, this class includes 2 recipes for the cake. So, we have first is the vanilla cake, and we have the chocolate cake. Now, with the flavors of your Silvanas, among the 6, there's one which is the chocolate Silvanas. Now, the chocolate Silvanas is the only one that uses the chocolate cake. And why is it that we have 5 other flavors? Now, itong ibang flavors na ito utilizes our vanilla cakes. Now, good thing here is the vanilla cake and the chocolate cake can also be used for your cupcakes, for your cakes, even under fondant, pwede po siya. So, it's always a sulit class if you enroll in Bailiwick kasi marami kayong matututunan, hindi lang iisang application, kundi pwede nyo siyang ma-apply sa iba pa ninyong mga goodies, okay? So, same thing with the cakes. Now, right after that one, since we have the meringue wafer, we will have the buttercream, and then we will have, lastly is the cakes. What are these cakes for? These are for the crumb coating of your Silvanas. Then right after this one, we go bake and then come back and make our own buttercream. Magluluto po kayo ng buttercream ninyo. So there are so many bakers out there, and I have been encountering bakers na like saying, "Oh ma'am, umiiyak ang buttercream ko." So how to go about with those umiiyak na buttercream? So please try to make sure, anyway, you can download it anytime, you can view it all the time. That's the good thing with online classes. You can go over and over again with the class. So hopefully all of you will be experts in making buttercream. And the buttercream procedure that we will be doing today is using IMBC. As we go on with the buttercream, I will be discussing what is an IMBC and the rest of the buttercream. Then right after that one, once we do all of this and then we flavor the buttercream, we will now do the assembly towards the end of the class. Okay, so yun yung pong mangyayari for the entire class natin. After the assembly, of course, to inspire everybody, so dito maglalatag tayo, magkakaroon tayo ng presentation for all the products and for all the flavors that we will be producing today. So, yun po ang mangyayari. Then, the good thing also with this class is yung food costing natin kasama. So don't worry. So if you want to go into business, hindi lang yung hobby-hobby natin sa baking, importante po na we know how to do food costing. Hindi po pwede na nagninegosyo ka na you don't even know how much the amount of your products be. So kailangan we go into the details of food costing. But right now, it would just be included in your materials. For your materials, nandito po lahat dito sa ating mga recipes, ang lahat ng kakailanganin nating aralin. Don't worry, they are all measured well and they are all presented on the recipes that you have. This will be posted online. So, downloadable po itong mga recipes na ito once you enroll in the class. Okay? So, yun. So, you will be learning all that. And then, as a bonus, meron akong binigay na bonus recipe which is how to make custard cake. Just like my normal classes, kahit naka-online class kayo ngayon at mag-i-enroll kayo sa class na ito, makukuha nyo pa rin yung bonus recipe natin. Okay? So, that's what to expect for the entire class.